Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in into another of my videos. What I'm gonna show you is how to get your Pepakura file from the MK50 Ironman Mark 50 faceplate all together. So actually, this is the final product. I got the right side here. This is the left side. These are the Pepakura files. I actually use Armor Smith Pepakura to actually be able to get this. I use both of them for certain things. Well, there's an advantage to each one. I traced them into paper, cut them, and this is what I got. So like I was saying, I traced everything into foam, 6" millimeter foam, and these are the registration marks. Each part brought it one way or another, and well, like this. So registration marks are actually used to be able to see where you're gonna glue each part together. For example, here, glue all this together, and registration marks are there. Here is a very better example. You see all the registration mark here. It was not perfect, sadly, but I try to make it the best. I do have one issue, and we're gonna see how I do, is that taper from here to here that this has. I actually 3D printed this last year, and I was able to see certain details that I needed to be able to get right. Here, this, and this is the hardest thing. But here, this curve, the foam actually takes it itself. This is the hardest part. What I should have done is get a 6" well, put another line of 6" foam in the bottom and be able to create a taper. So what I did is I measured the end to here, try to make it. Oh, you'll see what I mean. It's a little difficult. I just put a little bit of glue less. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay. What I'm using is barge cement. That's the best one, and I'm using why I'm not using the little brush of the cement is because sometimes it gives you too much of a watered down feeling. So, well, I'm not making watered down. It's too runny, so it's gonna give you an issue when you're trying to with the brush. Sorry, guys. We gotta wait 5 minutes for this to actually dry, so, and then be able to get it together. So what I'm gonna do is start gluing the rest of the parts. Okay, guys. But you gotta start with those parts is because they're a little harder, because you have to actually hold them. Make sure you they don't glue before time. That's why these parts. So this is why the registration marks are the best part, because you know where you gotta glue it. And as you see here, I try the best I can. It's a little difficult, but it kind of lines up the best I can do it. Well, we got that one. We're gonna do the other one. Now we got right here. This is where the part down of the eye is gonna go. We gotta put a little bit of glue here. That's the thing about. You just want to put the right amount too, because if not, it's gonna give you a lot of issues. And the issues are where we gotta actually taper this. We're not gonna glue it right there. We're gonna use we're gonna use the glue. Well, we're gonna use a pen and we're gonna measure. Okay. Same thing here. It's gonna go like this. All right, guys. But before that, we gotta glue this one. Okay, so we gotta glue this. That is this part here. We let it dry for around 10 minutes, and that's the best. So it just sticks right away. We follow the path of the marks. We glue, and that's it. Very easy. That's why when the glue is fresh, it's the best thing. Now we actually gotta put glue here and all this to actually being able to follow the line. Okay, gonna do this. It's gonna be a little difficult. We gotta create a hole, like we gotta do like a little it's gonna be a little difficult because how I was supposed to be. Okay, all right, let's put glue on this thing. Right. Hardest thing with this is that we gotta keep it up, okay? And I put the glue in the wrong place. Oh, I hate when that happens. It's on the top part. So now what we gotta do is this part. Okay, here we're gonna do this like this. Okay, and right there. Oh, now we just gotta wait for this part to actually dry up, and we're gonna get that together. Like that, and then the other part we're gonna finish. We gotta put it right against here. So let's just start putting it into. Alright, we're gonna use the brush this time. Okay guys, guys, so I just want to give you the final product. I know it does not look like the thing I wanted it to look, but it's just foam. I still gotta heat it. This is how it's supposed to be. This is 3D printed, and this is with foam, but it's gonna take its shape. I gotta foam them. I gotta use a heat gun, but I gotta wait for this to actually dry up, the barge glue. And you know, it's too wide open, but you can see the resemblance, some sort of, you know, kind of. This is the final product. I'm very happy with what I can do with foam. You know, this is of course 100 times better because it's 3D printer, but this is made by hand, and I'm gonna try to make it look like the actual Iron Man faceplate, the Mark 50. I just gotta wait for the glue does assemble and everything, and edges, blah blah blah. Armor Smith, I gotta say, it's really impressed me with what we can do because it gives you the angles. It's just good, you know. I was surprised how much easier he made it. So let me know what you guys think, and comment down below. This is the final product. Well, this is still not the final product, but this is the assembled faceplate. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Take care. Peace.